Let's learn how to fix any lag in Mobile Legend. First, let's open Mobile Legend app on your phone, and when you open it, look in the top right corner of the screen and you can see a little gear icon where you need to click. When you come on this settings page, you need to click on Network option in the left side of the screen. It will send you on this menu where you need to enable speed mode and confirm it. Also, you need to enable network boost and again confirm it. You enable both of that option, look in the bottom of the screen and you can see option called network test and click on it. Now Mobile Legend opens to you this page and you can see in the left side of that page network boost and also enable this option. When you enable it, there is one detail you can do when you play a game. Just enable airplane mode. When you enable airplane mode, your phone will automatically turn off Wi-Fi and you need to again turn it on. When you turn it on, go to play a game without a lag. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.